All right, we're back with another Money Origami Originals. Today I've got the wheel. So it's a spoked wheel. It's pretty cool. It features the DrPhu lock, which is my lock as far as I know. I haven't ever seen anybody use it. So I guess I'm the original to come up with it. And what it is, I've also used it in the snowflake flower star box. So I'll put that up in the card. And what I'm going to do is a reverse tutorial and take this one apart since I already was doing a tutorial and I tried to make it with 9 spokes and it didn't work out. And it was a lot of work. So this one just has 8. But yeah, so it doesn't pull apart or push apart because the spoke is overlapped. And then the spokes don't come apart either. See, they're locked together. It's ridge fold. That's what my little technique is the ridge lock. And so you have to fold these, you have to unfold these to open it. And so I'm just going to show you how I made this model by taking it apart. And see, you just unfold all these. And they're really quite difficult to undo after it's put together. You see? And I'm having to, you could use a paper clip, but so yeah, if you're, if you don't need all the tutorial information, you could fold this just from seeing how it takes it apart. I'll give you the information on the video here. All right, so I got all those unfolded. Wow, we just lost brightness there. So I added a light source because, man, it's not even focusing. Okay, so then there's more on the back, but I'll show you those in a different way. You see how cool that is, how it locks it all up. So this is a quick tutorial, a reverse tutorial. And it's still in there pretty good, see? Independent of this. That's nothing. See? And so until you unlock this flap, it's locked together. And see, now that ridge was locked under there. So the DrPhu ridge lock is what we'll call it, unless somebody proves me wrong by them using it like this in a previous video, which I haven't seen. Have you? So yeah. So the model started off by folding into thirds, but then this amount is a very odd amount right here. And then horizontally, I folded the model into 28ths actually, because you have a piece flat and then it comes up and then you have a piece flat in the middle, and then it comes up, and a piece flat. See, all the way across like that. And so this was just to exploit my ridge lock. Really, it was just to exploit it and see what you could do with it. And so with one on each end of the edge of the paper, and about as many, well, I could fit more on there and not have the gap in between. And it comes out with something pretty crazy too. So this was really tedious. I mean, you had to make all the folds. However, you could get 28 across, which was starting off by making sevenths and then dividing into 14ths and then dividing that into 28ths. Uh, could maybe make one with less spokes, I suppose. And so, yeah, there's a mountain and then two valleys and then a mountain and then two valleys, see. And then it was super tedious because then you had to fold all these little points in. I mean, I did. The paper one's long since destroyed because this ridge fold really works best on thick paper or doubled over edges. Look, that one never even came undone. And so, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to do this model or not, really. Maybe, maybe not. And then, see, it's just like on the model that I put up in the link. See, then you fold this over. I mean, just the ridge lock part is, see. And once you fold that over, then you flip the ridge over. And once you do the next one on the other side of it, see, now that sucker is locked. And so, pretty cool. What do you think? Is it awesome? Is it original? The DrPhu Ridge Lock, because that's my nickname from way back. And I have the pound DrPhu hashtag on all my videos. So you can click on that and check them out. And it works on search engines. But to absolutely see all the videos, you have to go to the the homepage and click on videos, the YouTube homepage channel. But you can get quite a few by typing in DrPhu on Bing or maybe even Google. I don't know. Someone's trying to help me out with getting discovered on Google a little bit because it doesn't come up when you type in money origami space, which I didn't realize didn't do that. But yeah, that's pretty important. However, the channel views have been up quite a bit. YouTube just sent me a thing about a week ago saying that the channel got more views than ever in the last 28 days. So that was encompassing Thanksgiving and Christmas, I believe, but you know, which those were the highest view days. Christmas, I got the most views in any one single day. So see, then you had this, and that's pretty cool right there too. And then you just expanded it out to the width of the tire because these are locked. And so it's pretty cool, right? But I do have to make it where it has a full ridge overlapping. In the tutorial, I tried to make the whole pattern offset by 1/28th division and tuck it up in there, but it didn't stay in very well. So see, the whole ridge was overlapped, and I opened them on both sides and tucked it in there. It really likes to be in that position after ridge is made. And see, there it is. That is super locked. And so now you can, if you like to experiment and mess around, you can just get any little piece of paper and make one of these ridge locks on it and check it out. See? It's not coming apart. All right, well, that's the video because I just wanted to, well, I didn't get that one totally folded over like it was supposed to. Like on this side. See how you can't even see the overlap? So let's just undo it and fix it real quick just to show you. It's not supposed to have that. And it's just because it went back into its ridge mode before I got it tucked in there properly. I mean, into its lock mode. There, see? Now that is really cool. So check out the DrPhu Ridge Lock. Something like that. Maybe somebody's got a better name for it. All right. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Take care. I got some more videos. Oh, I did want to tell you that, dang, I was going to mention this at the start, that every once in a while I'm going to do a random video that's not going to be origami. So, I mean, there is some videos like that on the channel, and they do pretty good. And I've got a real cool thing I want to share. It's the easiest way to light up an LED indicator properly with a technique that even electronic engineers don't even know. I mean, most of them. I've shown it to tons of them over all my years, and a really cool application for it. You know, I know probably not really many of the origami people are into this electronic video coming up, but just skip it. You don't have to unsubscribe. It's not a channel change or anything. All right. Well, thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.